guys, welcome to Kadai Swad cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make crispy poha vada. So let's have a quick walk through the ingredients. Poha, gram flour, onion, coriander, salt, green chili, rice flour, oil and ginger garlic paste. Firstly, let's take mixing bowl and add 1 cup of soaked poha. Guys, here I have soaked poha for about 20 minutes. Let's smash it well. Let's make it soft. Knead gently. Add 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Add 1 tablespoon of gram flour. Add salt according to your taste. Add 1 onion. Add half cup of green chilies. Add chopped coriander. Add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Let's mix it well. Let's sprinkle little amount of water. Let's knead the dough gently for about a minute. Guys, now the dough is ready, so let's keep it aside. Now let's take frying pan and add oil. Let the oil heat for some time. Now let's make a small balls. Let's flatten it. Guys, let's repeat the step. Now the oil is hot, so let's drop the vada inside the oil. Guys, let's keep it in a medium flame. Let's fry it well until it becomes golden brown. Guys, now it is almost golden, so let's take it out. Guys, now the crispy poha vada is ready to serve. Do try it. I'm sure you're gonna like it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.